Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download 8-Ball Pool on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store and then in the search box, type in 8-Ball and then in the search box, type in 8-Ball Pool and then start the search. Once you find the application, simply tap on it and then tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the 8-Ball Android application. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And now you can start playing the 8-Ball Pool game on your Android device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the 8-Ball Pool game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.